This is Teacher Ada's Learning Center. In connection with the practical life, we're now going to make our Play-Doh. So stay put there so that we're going to learn how to make a Play-Doh today. Now, let us know all the ingredients for the Play-Doh. First, we have 2 cups of flour. And then we have 1 cup of salt. And then we have 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar. And then we have 2 tablespoons of oil. And then we have the 2 cups of water. And then we have the vanilla extract or vanilla essence. And then we have the food coloring. But we must prepare also our board rolling pin. So also our bowl and the spoon. So these are all the ingredients to make a Play-Doh. And now we're going to put all the dry ingredients in the bowl. First, we're gonna put now the 2 cups of flour. And then we have the 1 cup of salt. And then we have the cream of tartar. Then mixing it all together. And then we are going to put now the water. The 2 cups of water. Then we will add the oil. Let's mix it together. Slowly mix it together so that the salt will be mixed with the flour. And then for our coloring, we choose to have the red color. Maybe a little bit of this. There you go. Mix it again. If you want to make it more red, then you can add some more. And then we have to put our vanilla. If you don't have vanilla, it's just okay. Oh, so many. Then we're gonna have to stir it again, all over again. After this one, you can put it on your frying pan or kettle to cook it in a low fire. So we are now ready to put it into the frying pan for cooking. So the color is red. You can add more color if you want it. You can also add blue, green, color that you want to have. So I finished already mixing, and we're gonna go to our little kitchen to cook this in low fire. And now all the ingredients from the bowl, I put it into the frying pan, and I am now ready to cook now all the ingredients into a dough by having only a small fire or to a low fire. I am now stirring it so that it will become slowly until it will form thick. Finish our making the dough, and it's already ready to be put on the board and ready for the rolling pin. So we're gonna go. Hi kids, our dough is already ready. It's finished. So we are now going to flatten it with our rolling pin. If it's a little bit wet, we have to put a little flour on it. We roll it. Then take the other side. Roll it nicely. Again, once more here. Flatten everything so that the salt, all the ingredients will be mixed together nicely. Flatten it once more. Hi kids, your dough is already finished. So you can now put it into a container, and if you are not going to use it, close it tightly. But if you want to play with it, you have to cut some and put the bigger one into the container and close it. Now we are going to try to make a shape. Put it this way so that your fine motors will be hard and get some shape. And if you have a small rolling pin, you can do it this way. Small rolling pin only. And now let's make a shape. And the shape is an apple. You try to put it on and press it hard. Wow! You have now an apple, a red apple. So it's so nice to make this Play-Doh. Once again, we finished our Play-Doh today.